Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial on creating an automation in IFTTT. My name is Shem and I'll be guiding you through this step-by-step process. By the way everyone, IFTT stands for if this, then that. So step number one, let's create an account or an IFTTT account. So let's start typing in ifttt.com on our web browser. Once you click on enter, it will route you to this login or sign up page. So let's go click on get started and let's fill out the registration form and make sure that we receive the email verification. So let's put in our email and put a password. So just like Zapier, we will be creating automations. The only difference is that IFTTT is great for personal automation and smart device integration, while Zapier is ideal for business automation and workflow optimization. So let's just close this first. So for step number two, we have to understand our applets. So IFTT uses applets to automate a task. So an applet consists of triggers, which is the if, and an action, which is the then or the result. So which mobile device do you primarily use? So we have three options here. We have Android, iPhone, and neither. So for me, I'm going to click on Android and then click on continue. But if you have both of this device, you can click more than one option. Then click on continue. Now, if you were routed to this page, you will be asked what brings you to IFTTT. So we need to click on or select one to help us suggest the best applets and tools for us. So we have Automate My Home. This is the automation to control devices in and around our home to simplify our lifestyle. Next is Automate My Business. This is an automation for business processes to simplify them and save time. And then something else, an automation for workflows to do something else. So let's try clicking on this one. And then you have to decide whether you want to start your trial or apply on their plan, or you can simply click on not now. Because if you're gonna click on continue, you will be routed to a page where you have to put in your card details. If you don't have any card details to put there, just click on not now. And there you go. This is the landing page of IFTTT once you have created an account. So let's proceed to step number three, choosing a trigger or the if. So let's browse the IFTT channel library and select a trigger service. Say like for example, Facebook, we need to click on that service to connect to our account. So to do that, let's click on create. So now we are on this page. Let's click on add for the trigger. And then right here, we have the option to click on all services and then select what specific filter or categories you're gonna select. So let's say, for example, social media. And then under social media, we have available services that we can choose from that we will consider as our trigger. So let's say, for example, Facebook. Let's click on Facebook as our trigger. And then we have options to select if it's going to be any new post by you in the area, new status message by you, new status message by you with hashtag, or new link post by you. So we can click any of this, and whatever we select, this will trigger into something. So let's say, for example, any new post by you in the area. So let's click on that. And then once we connect it to the service of Facebook, it will manage our profile, the posting, photos, and more with Facebook Applets that works with the world's largest social networking site. So when connecting our account or our Facebook account to IFTT, it is asking to request a specific access in order to enable applet functionality that you control. So this request include access to your personal post, location, photos, and even your friends. So let's click on connect. And then here, we're gonna connect our Facebook account. Okay, so now that we have successfully linked our personal Facebook account and our location, let's go click on create trigger. So now that we have successfully added our trigger, let's go to step number 4, configure or choose the action or the then. So let's click on add and then click on all services. Then we can select here as to what will be our action. So here we have to select our service. So we have the option to filter it under all services, new services, or popular services. And we have categories right here. So since the trigger is Facebook, I'm going to click on all services. And then this is what it shows as the recommendations. So on Facebook, let me go ahead and select Gmail. Now, since I click on Gmail, we have suggested actions here that you can select from, or we have send an email. This action will send an email up to 20 recipients from your Google account or Gmail account, or send yourself an email, an action that will send yourself an email. HTML images and links are supported. Or you can suggest a new action. So let's say, for example, this one, send yourself an email. Let's click on that. And then we have to connect our Gmail account. So now that I have linked my Gmail account, let's scroll down and then let's click on or add a subject. Let's say, for example, Facebook notification because our trigger is Facebook. So we're gonna add the subject as Facebook notification. Then right here is the body and then the attachment URL. I'm gonna click on create action. Once done, I'm gonna click on continue. So the applet title will be like this. If any new post by you in an area, then send yourself an email from shimrose1995 at gmail.com. So this will be the title and then click on finish. As you can see, if any new post by you in the area, then send yourself an email from shimrose1995 at gmail.com. And right now it says here connected. So we have successfully created an automation, our Facebook as the trigger, and the action will be our Gmail account. That's how we do automation. I hope you learned something from watching this video and have a great day, everyone.